Hello guys! In this video I'm going to show you how to contact with customer service on the Facetune application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. So that's the home screen, and you can find different buttons. New, just tap to the settings icon at the upper right corner of the home screen, and you can find the fifth option, the contact us. Tap that. And in this site you can add your email address, you can add the subject, and you can describe your problem, and click to the submit button if you finish. And that's it. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.